Welcome back to DP Tutorials. Let's meet your new best friend ChatGPT, the Excel formula generator. Here's my sample dataset. I have got list of employees, their departments, salaries and bonuses. And I want to calculate total earnings, conditional results like who gets the performance reward if the bonus is more than 10%. Normally you would Google for 15 minutes or ask your Excel Pro colleague, but not anymore. Let's make ChatGPT do the heavy lifting. Now let's go to the ChatGPT. All I need to do is write an Excel formula to calculate total earnings in column E, where I have salary in column C and bonus percentage in column D. And press enter, and within seconds, boom, ChatGPT gives you this. Simply copy and paste this formula in column E and you will get the result. Now say let's ask, write a formula to check if bonus percentage is greater than 10%, then display reward, else no reward in column F. And press enter, and ChatGPT instantly replies this formula. Yep, it's that simple. You ask, it answers. You have to just copy and paste it in Excel to see that works. Here's the real secret that most people don't realize. ChatGPT doesn't just generate formulas, it also explains them step by step. So if you're learning Excel, this becomes your personal formula tutor. You can even say, hey ChatGPT, write a formula to find the average salary of the finance department using average if. And it gives you the answer with required formula. Plus, it will explain why the range works and how to tweak it for your own data set. Basically, you're saving time, learning smarter and sounding 10 times smarter in meetings. Ask ChatGPT to give you array formulas, dynamic Excel 365 functions, or even VB macros. It handles them all. Example: write a formula to get top 3 salaries using large function. ChatGPT replies with this formula. Yep, it even handles arrays, no extra brain pain for you. So there you go. With the Excel ChatGPT formula generator, you will never have to memorize a complex formula again. Next time your colleague says, can you make this report dynamic with nested ifs? Just smile and say, sure, I have got AI on my side. If this video saved your time and sanity, drop a comment saying A for Excel, hit that like button and subscribe to DP Tutorials for more videos. Thanks for watching.